Even if at some level they are pretty scary, it's always nice to see robots getting enhanced capabilities. After all, we've made them to help us, so that's what they should do, evolve to be able to help us better. But what use could one have for a robot that knows kung fu and could easily kick you in the face with its feet? You've probably heard a thing or two by now about a Chinese robotics company called Unitree. Over the past 10 years or so, it made a name for itself by selling both canine and humanoid robots to be used for a variety of tasks, and for pretty affordable prices. One of the humanoid robots it sells is called G1. It's a machine that's advertised as having flexibility beyond ordinary people, thanks to its up to 43 joint motors, the ability to manipulate any and all objects, and as one that constantly evolves, thanks to the constant training it goes through. For some reason or another, the guys at Unitree thought it would be a good idea to teach the robot some kung fu moves. The results can be seen in this video. Some of you could be seriously unsettled by this. So, what do we have here? A butt-naked G1 sitting in the hallway of some building, facing him is a human, holding a stick in a defensive position. The robot starts advancing, performing all sorts of kung fu moves with its hands, while at the same time positioning itself for what comes next. Calculating its movements to the nanosecond, the G1 spins around its axis, then does it again for a full 720-degree turn, finishing off the movement with a kick. A precise kick that sends the stick of the human flying out of his hands. What you're seeing is the raw video of the experiment, not sped up in any way. It's something Unitree does not recommend anyone to try at home. In fact, it even goes as far as to advise keeping a safe distance from the robot altogether, a gimmick designed to highlight just how versatile this humanoid machine is. This is not the first time the G1 has shown abilities you don't normally get to see in such products. In February, for instance, it danced in front of the camera, showing true skill, coordination, and perseverance even when interrupted. A month earlier, it walked and ran even on inclined terrain. The robot itself, taken as is not very impressive. It stands just 4.33 feet tall and weighs 77 pounds. It moves about and doesn't bump into things thanks to LiDAR and depth cameras, being capable of going as fast as 2 meters per second, 4.5 miles per hour. The G1 is powered by a 9,000 mAh quick-release battery that keeps it going for as much as 2 hours. Its brain comprises an 8-core CPU. This entire package is available for sale to anyone who dares to get such a thing for the very affordable price of $16,000.